Well, friends, aspirants of level 2 and level 3 students, welcome. Today we are going to take the important topic in the practical aspect of methods of teaching and evaluation. For level 3, you should have the profession of evaluator. That is, you should be able to evaluate the students and evaluate the institute also, a yoga institute which is running. That is the main topic why the YCB has introduced this concept of this book. And what are the important aspects that teachers should look into that for the welfare of the students and the upcoming of the students for a better effective yogic practices. These are the reasons behind that. Now, what are the topics which are covered up? This is in detail with the level 3. Okay, but then also level 2 people can take the advantage of this. Teaching methods with special reference to yoga, factors influencing yoga teaching, need of teaching the practice and using yogic practices, teaching aids, meaning and note, role of languages, voice, fluency, clarity, and ideal presentation. Methods of teaching to an individual, small group, and large group. Use of audio-visual aids, ICT, multimedia, and online resources. Lecture cum demonstration in yoga, its meaning, importance, and method of presentation. Lesson plan, its meaning and need. Preparation of lesson plan in yoga, preparation of lesson plan for an individual and for a group. Presentation of lessons in the specific yogic practices, Kriya, Asana, Pranayama, and Dhyana. Assessment of the yoga class. See, I told you evaluation. This is the assessment of the yoga class. Detection and correction of mistakes. Okay. Measurement and assessment and evaluation concepts and principles of and application. Program evaluation and workshops, camps, yoga teaching and yoga assessment of yoga center and institutes, criteria, processes, instruments, and research. This is prepared by one of our faculty only from Thane School, Shiv Prakash Nayak. Okay, I am just presenting the matter before. Okay. Now, teaching method with special reference to yoga. Guru Shishya Parampara, Upanishads sit near the devotee. Now you might have learned in Hatava Pratipika of the heart, of the hermitage and heart. In yoga teaching is not like a commercial class like a 11th or 12th का जो classes है ऐसा नहीं चलता है. It is completely surrendered to the guru, and the guru's blessing should be there to get the this much. ये आजकल ऐसा योगा टीचर में भी नहीं. बाबा रामदेव का टीवी में देख के योगा मत करो. Why? Ultimately people are landed in the hospital. So that is not the method of that. Okay. Guru Shishya Parampara means you have to completely surrender. One to one or one to a group, the teacher should take. The teacher should have the qualities of a this much. And he should be more toward the practices and dharana and more toward the spiritual side. So that because as we know, Chittavritti Nirodhati Yoga, so the mind also gives a composed, a tranquil position which gives an effective result in the asanas and pranayama. Okay. So what are the methods of teaching? Observation, logic, intuition, build spontaneity, creativity, according to the need of the student, amend the lesson, diversity, move freely from one technique to another, integrate different techniques, build a practice to get the desired effects of language, Brahmana awareness, and Samana balance. Creativity. You should see what are the type of the students who are sitting before you. A teacher should see and evaluate. Suppose the younger batch is there, 20 to 30s or 30 to 40s, who are in the working class. So, वो लोग का need क्या है? IT group is sitting before you, and you are taking class of IT students. So you should have the concept of what is that in their mind, what is the stress level, that should be evaluated. If there are senior citizens who are sitting, the senior citizens above 50 means they are having health issues. Okay, so you should be very slow and according to the needs of the not patient. You cannot call a patient because everybody has a health issues after the age of 50 when the body gets on degeneration. Okay, relaxation. Build a practice to get a desired effect of relaxation. All are aware regarding what is the difference between exercise, and by this time you are aware what is the difference between exercise and asana. Okay, asana is with the relaxation, complete awareness of the flow of the breath, coupled with the inhalation and exhalation. This is asana. And as per your capacity, not to exceed your capacity, every day is not the same. It all depends on the stress level yesterday or day before yesterday. What is the stress level? How the stress level, domestic level, family level, anything. Okay. So that affects the asanas on the next day. So please remember that. So you can immediately when you teach, when you take a class, when a certain student who used to perform properly, he is not able to perform. Some background is there. After the class, you can evaluate that. What are the reasons behind that for getting not performance? Okay. Brahmana, awareness. With full awareness, you have to do the extension. Please remember, any asana has got three effects. That is local, associated, central nervous system. Because the yoga, body and mind it plays. Local effect, say for example, Bhujangasana. Local effect is on the cervical part. The associated effect is on the lower back. Vice versa in Shalabhasana. Local effect is on the lower back and the pelvic region, and the associated is on the upper level. And all asanas has the effect on the central nervous system. This principle should be adopted and very well taught to the student so that they will absorb that concept and always be very slow. Secondly, the movement to the asana should be slow, steady, rhythmic, controlled. This should be the concept behind that. It should not be in a very fast way. This is the second step of awareness. Third step is consciously you are relaxing the part which is not extended. Conscious differential relaxation. CDR. Consciously you are relaxing the part which is not extended. As explained in Bhujangasana, the lower part gets relaxed because the lower part is not extended. In Shalabhasana, the upper part is relaxed. That is the thoracic level and the upper level is relaxed because the lower part is extended. So the blood flows to the part which is extended first, and then the blood comes to that, and thereby and ultimately attack the central nervous system. Okay. Then the oxygenated blood passes on to the central nervous system. What is the environment of training? Clean, no pollution. Every practitioner should have 6 into 3. Ideally, maximum height, maximum 6, invariably more than 6. Invariably. Okay. And 3 is the on the breath side, so that the body can lie completely on the supine posture for relaxation after this. Mats. अभी mats का बारे में बोलेगा. Yoga mat is a latest concept which has been brought in the colored and different material. Olden time ऋषि मुनियों का टाइम में क्या रहते थे? The best material was tiger skin. Tiger skin is absorbs the maximum heat from the body. It absorbs the maximum heat from the body. इसके लिए जब भी घंटों ऋषि मुनियों लोग हरिद्वार ऋषिकेश में इंडियन सिस्टम, they used to sit with the stick on the back on the balancing posture. They used to sit in the tiger skin. So tiger skin में क्या होता है? It is proved by research the maximum heat gets absorbed from the tiger skin. That is the idea behind tiger skin. But nowadays, because of the current practices, we are having the yoga mat. Clean, no pollution. Some classes, yoga classes are having AC with the closed doors and all. The circulation of air doesn't take place, sir. It should be in the morning time, Brahma Muhurta, and the ozone level is there in the air, ozone level, O3, ozone level. So to get the maximum benefit of the ozone level, the timing as the days pass on, the pollution level increases. As the day pass on, the pollution level increases. That means the vehicles also start flying from 7 o'clock, 8 o'clock. This case, the ideal practice is it should be completed before 7 o'clock, before the Brahma Muhurtam ends. That's why. The effect of the meditation is maximum on the Brahma Muhurta. Why? Because of the no pollution, then ozone level will be there, and the effect and the concentration level will be better because of the silence which is prevailing around the situation. Okay. Meditation leads to a better asana. Better asana leads to pranayama. Better pranayama leads to a better relaxation. That is because you are all aware of this. Every practitioner, mat should be laid down in the classroom. Mat to be made of a bad conductor. Several other points like lighting, heat, social, harmony, classification. Coming to the mat position, once again I told the modern concepts are Turkish towel also accepts the maximum heat. Turkish towel. अभी ऑर्डिनरी मैट वो क्या कभी कभी बॉडी में पकड़ता है ऑर्डिनरी मैट, तो उसको ऊपर टॉवल डालना अच्छा है. आणि Whereas studied by SVASA, they specifically supply for all the YIC students and all MSc students. सतरंजी 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 बोलता है ना, सतरंजी सतरंजी को बोलते, सतरंजी को पे करने को बोलता है. So that is also a good conductor of electricity. I mean, sorry, heat in the body. Several points like lighting, heat, social harmony, classification based on intellect, financial sources, etc. Okay. Fan आना जरूरी है, fan, because the sweat which is created will be absorbed by the atmosphere through the fan. Okay. Then windows to be open, there should be cross ventilation, अच्छा रहेगा, but preferably not AC environment, because it is depending upon the situation. आजकल का situation demands the youngsters going to the AC offices and all, they get accustomed to the AC climate, and that's why AC रखा है. But regarding this, it is not acceptable in the ideal yogic practices. Okay, handling of different aspirants. Adhamadhikari, Madhyamadhikari, you have to move your mind according to the need of the students. Adhamadhikari means a very prominent practitioner who has been practicing for years. Madhyamadhikari means who is somewhat able to practice on the ideal posture. And sorry, here is Adhama means small. Sorry, Adhama means a junior who has joined. Madhyama means the person who has been practicing perfectly, and Uttama means the person who has been able to perform. Such persons will perform, will have Sirsasana, Mayurasana. These persons can be classified under Uttamadhikari because he has been practicing since years. Then only you get to the posture of Mayurasana and Sirsasana. Above than that, Navli practices. Navli practices we all cannot do, but very excellent practitioners can do Navli Kriya. Okay, but these are because of very higher stages that more than Mayurasana and Sirsasana also. Okay. Guru Shishya Parampara, you all know, who means the darkness, Ru means one who disperses them as per Advaita Upanishad. This has been very well explained in detail in Hatha Pradipika. Transfer of any spiritual power, powerful or profound knowledge was done in a safe, trusted, intimated manner between the Guru and the Shishya. Now you know, this is the purpose of this, that ultimate aim of yoga is dharana, dhyan on the Kaivalya state and samadhi, and not your the ideal practices and love. This is the concept of Guru Shishya Parampara. Okay. And ancient tradition, the Guru does not hold on to the Shishya, neither the Shishya holds on to the Guru. Both help each other to become the best Shishya, best. Shishya is not meant to be a replica, but encouraged to become what they could become the best. What are the factors influencing this much? Utsaha. Utsaha, ahasya, adaitva is a very big word. Nischaya. Janasanga parityaga, that is very well aware of it. Janasanga parityaga, very well explained. This is the shloka number 16 from Hatha Yoga Pradipika. Parityaga, that means you have to passion, utsaha, sankalpa. Okay, there is a practice. Sadhana, what a spiritual practice is consistency. Follow the principles of Yama and Niyama. Swadhyaya, self-study. Also include the study of the scriptures and agamas. Okay, either self-study person not only doing a better asanas and this much. We are self-studying the study of the scriptures. Awareness of Patanjali Yoga Sutra, which is the Bible of yogic practices. Awareness of Hatha Yoga Pradipika. Then awareness of Bhagavad Gita. These three concepts should be very well understood and learned by a student. Of course, people don't have time. In olden time, this Yama and Niyama practices was very well practiced by the Rishis and Munis. They not should teach the students any asanas or pranayama just like that. They should train in the Guru Shishya Parampara style, Yama and Niyama. Observe the discipline for the self-study and the society at large for 2 to 3 years. Thereafter, asanas ko par, simple asanas ko par aate hai. Then why that is done? Because the mind moves according to the body and the body moves according to the mind. So, how to deal with the sattvic actions in the society and to adopt the sattvic life. then only the better results of asanas are obtained. So that was the purpose of introducing Yama and Niyama, the self-discipline, which are very well aware, the 10 commandments for the personal benefit and for the spiritual benefit. Okay. Tapa, silence, silencing, fasting, and cleaning. Importance of fasting is very well known. Once in a week, you should keep your body rest by doing the fasting. You have observed the Jain system. People, they Pradushan bolte hai, Pradushan, before Diwali. They practice for days together. They are able to go on the field without water. Why? That is the strength of the mind and able to deliver the goods as usual when they are in the normal life of having the food on both the time. Okay. Because see that plays a very important part. Jains fasting are sometimes very important. Without water, they are able to survive for days, 2 days, 3 days, and all like that. Or just by only boiled water, without any, not even fruits also for that matter. Such some company of like-minded people. Okay. Teaching aids in yoga, audio and radio tape. Very well aware, radio and tape. अभी ये तो old system होगा, latest system is on the internet and all, everything available on the internet and through अपना great Ramdev, okay, radio and tape. This has been because in the old text it has been already included that visual, picture, PPT, maps, display boards and flashcards. Why visual, please? Visual, it remains stability in the mind, it remains fixed in the mind. You can recollect because all the researchers have put the latest concept is on the audio video visualization of study. The same way is practice here. Picture remains आपका मन में रहेगा, कलर पिक्चर दिखाएगा आपका मन और फिक्स हो जाएगा होगा ये आसन ऐसा करने का है ऐसा ऐसा करने का. But if it is the words will not be recollected or recapitulated by the mind. It will be by this one. PPT that we are very well aware. PPT also presentation. Here also PPT में pictures introduce करेगा, so that will remain much stable. Okay. This has become a recent method of study for online transactions because online transaction the PPT is much faster than this one. Even schools have adopted this, started adopting the students the latest concept of na Corona time में PPT presentation and all the conferences which are held, corporate conferences which are held, that also through PPT presentation or different types of presentation from the internet. Okay, all researches has been shown, display has been shown. So in the future line to come, even if the corona goes away, the online presentation will be very cheap and effective, and the delivery of the goods because by sitting at home, the online classes will be running more efficiently. Okay, audio visual, films, slides, three-dimensional awareness. These all are taken over by the internet concepts of this month. Okay, anything is available. You fill in the Google, fill the text, you get the image this month. The old concept of Oxford Dictionary also has been dispensed with. Youngsters don't know what is Oxford Dictionary. विसरले सगळे ऑक्सफोर्ड डिक्शनरी म्हणजे काय पुस्तकात बघून ते शोधून काढा. Just go to the Google, just fill the meaning of what you want, you will get it. Language, common language, several languages, simple terms. Language should be the common for the people who are taking the class. Class means students have that language. When I'm taking the classes, one of my students has said, all Maharashtrians are there. There's only one Mr. Hindi. So he is telling Baba, our institute accepts Hindi. No, not necessary. People who are sitting before that, if they are South Indian, I have to go as per that language. If I am Maharashtrian, I have to go as per this much. So I have been born and brought up in Bombay, brought up in the Maharashtrian community. I am very well conversed with the Marathi and I am very able to deliver the lectures on Marathi also. आता पण मराठीत मी lecture देऊ शकतो, but no, some concepts has to be explained. So that is the idea behind that. Then a lot of argument had taken place. That is a different aspect. Voice delivery, inflection and passion, slow down, volume. It should be very signal. It should be very distant. Okay. The volume should be not disturbing to the outside atmosphere. If there are residents outside who are sleeping at this time at 6 o'clock and all, so your So your volume of the sound should be only to the students who are sitting before you in the class. Okay. So the windows are open. It is but natural. This one. Second concept is the research. I already just had information. You may not be aware of it. Shankh blowing increases the alveoli opening. Shankh blowing. In our conferences and our workshop conferences, we end the pranayama workshop through Shankh blowing. Myself and my Guruji, we end up with the Shankh blowing. What it is said, the alveoli which are there in the lungs, they work to the extent of a normal healthy person only 50 to 60%. Okay. Continuous practices of asanas and pranayama over the years, the alveoli gets opened up to the 60 to 70%. In Rishi Munis and Haridwar, those were actual Rishis and Munis, or those were there. They used to sit, thereby increasing the lifespan. That alveoli working was to the extent of 80 to 90%. Continuous. That's why the mindset was such a strong that they used to be able to live up to 100, 102 years. There may be some people now in Himalayas and the upper stages also, where the requirement of the air is much required. So they practice pranayama much better and they live on the herbs and all. They live on the herbs. They don't come to the earth and interact with the people. Okay. This is just a matter of information which you should be aware. So the Shankh blowing, which you got in the cleansing process, we have Shankha Prakshan. The same Shankha, the flow of the water, that will flow of the sound through the nasal tract becomes very clear and audible. So it has an effect on the alveoli of the lungs. Okay. Whisper, signal, secret, mystery, touch, meditation, and relaxation. The importance of meditation and relaxation are very well aware. Everybody is aware in the asanas. Rise and fall, maintain the interest. Instructions, explanation. Louder, can hear clearly. Questions, announcement, explanation. During the class when is going on, if anybody has any query, that interrupt the flow of the teacher. So always when we take class here also, you can ask the questions at the end. There is but every likelihood that as you hear the lecture, questions goes on developing in your mind. A good sadhak will have always lot of questions to ask to the teacher during his course of interaction. So always yelling, show that teacher has lost control of the situation. Sometimes misspelled of the words, or sometimes the thought process are not coming. It happens. That also it depends on the state of the mind that teacher also. Okay, that shows that teacher has lost the control of the situation. So the student should accept. But every day if he is teaching okay, why is teaching today not perfectly okay? Some problem will be there. So the student should understand the plight of the teacher. Every day is not the same day. Okay, fluency, flow in expressing the ideas indicate how comfortable one is with the topic and the language. Too many pause or hesitation indicate lack of confidence. Okay. Now, flow in expressing the ideas. When you teach the asanas and all to a junior level, they are more interested in the perfection of the practices. As the practices goes on increases, as the days goes on increases, you should slowly introduce the benefits of the asanas. Benefits of asanas होगा, the intuition will much more to the students और उनको अच्छे तरह से करने लगेगा. Because when the asanas are doing, when they are doing the asanas, their thought goes toward the benefits of the asana. Okay. Now, at the same time, when you take the benefit, it's in the contraindication. Who should not do it? Example, those who are having cervical spondylitis, those who are having, depending upon the severity, you know the patient is wearing the collar on the allopathy. That means his cervical C4 and C5 is very strange. He is not able to do. So when you are taking the class of Bhujangasana, Mr. So-and-so, you should not do it. Finished. That is the only one word you have to say because you know his background. Okay. Others can do it. Please go to Bhujangasana. And Bhujangasana complementary Shalabhasana. Okay. So, person having any fracture on the leg or left, he will not be able to lift the leg of Uttita Padasana or Uttita Uttanasana. Okay. So you should know. The student who is sitting, अरे कल वो गिर गया था, उसका पाँव में swelling है. आज सुबह आके बोला. Before the class starts. Yes, that should be registered in the teacher's mind. the teacher should tell, "Abba, you cannot raise it. Don't आज मत करो तुम. आज के लिए मत करो. After 2-3 days, when the swelling goes away, you can do it." Okay. Sometimes the students or the lady students, they may get offended by mentioning this, but we don't say anything. He or she has already explained before the start of the class. पाँव में swelling है, तो आज वो शलभासन नहीं कर. Okay. Even the simple stretching in Tadasana also may not be acceptable depending upon the state of the health. Okay. Too many pauses or hesitation indicate the lack of confidence of the teacher. Okay. बीच में रुक गया, not able to explain the benefits or not able to explain the correct posture or asana, not able to explain the flow of the rhythm of asana. Okay. Not able to answer the counter questions put by the students. Benefits क्या है, contraindications क्या है, sometimes that shows the lack of the confidence. Okay. Clarity. Explaining in different manner till the student understand teaching step by step. Ask the questions to ensure that the students understand. Just by performance, having explained all this awareness, conscious differential relaxation, concept and this much, you should indirectly after the class, when after Shavasana is over, you should ask the reaction of the people. Their success is your success. Their performance during the day, thumbs up करने से आजकल WhatsApp में thumbs up करने से is not this much. अरे अच्छा lecture दिया, first class, I feel very good. No, how the day goes on during the day. आपका activity कैसा चल रहा है, आपका behavior toward the office, behavior in the family, behavior toward the friends and societies at a large, how it is going on, whether you are able to accept any stress level, whether the body and mind is able to accept a stress level. That is the effect of yoga, apart from the health benefit. Okay. Your immunity power goes on increasing. When your immunity power goes, the external bacteria coming inside the body will get reduced. Okay. The viruses. So because of Corona time, everybody is aware how important is Jal Niti and Sutra Niti, Shuddhi Kriyas has played a very much importance. Everybody is aware of it. Okay. Pune mein kaun sa hospital mein the doctors claimed and is claimed, and now people have started, because of the fear of the corona, people have started practicing Jal Niti, Anulom Vilom. People have been aware. Baba, नहीं तो क्या अपन public अभी तो जाएगा, or we should be able to withstand this one. Teaching step by step, ask questions to ensure that students understand, explain, giving examples. Myself been 72 years, for the last 15 years, every Sunday I practice all the kriyas without fail. And Corona time during when this third wave and this, I used to practice daily Jal Niti, daily. Though I was not going out, but now I started going out. I'm doing the other work also apart from this. Why? Yoga has helped me in that. The confidence of delivery of this at this age also is because of the yoga I'm sitting here before you. Okay. The exams which I passed is also because of the yoga, which ordinary person would not have done. Vijay sir will very appreciate this in this regard. Teaching methods, teaching over 8-step method. Now, how are the process we should go into teaching the asanas? Okay. Step 1, name of the asanas to be taught in English, Sanskrit, or the local language. Okay. Meaning of the asana. Each asana you know is named after a bird, after the animal, okay, after the posture, after the natural plants, trees, Vishikasana, Ekapadasana, okay, different display this one. Meaning, justification. What will happen in the final pose? A common mistake which very often does is when you should go to the asana, your eyes should be open. When you close the eyes, the awareness inside becomes better and better. When you everybody please remember, going to the asana should be through inhalation. Closing the eyes, after reaching the final posture, your eyes should close. Exhale out completely. Do the normal breathing. And when your mind says, come out, that means the teacher's instructions are going to the posture. The capacity of the student depends on the capacity of the student to come out of the posture. When you want to come out of the posture, the eyes should be open. This principle should be invariably taught. Otherwise, it amounts to an exercise because the concentration level or the awareness level which the asanas require is much more after you close the eyes. When you are able to close the eyes, you are able to concentrate inside what is going on because the thoughts goes on disturbing when you open your eyes. Okay. No talking in between the asanas we practice. Meaning of the asana, justification, category, cultural meditation, relaxation, complementary pose for the asana. Okay. Paschimottanasana complementary, Purvottanasana. Paschim is toward the forward, Purvottanasana is the back, or Sedubandhasana. Okay. Or Suptavadrasana. Okay. Types of asana, prone, supine, standing, or sitting. That is available. Count 4 or 8 count per asana. 4 or 8 count asana means, as I told you, going to the asana, closing the eyes, making it aware, exhale out, then 4 to 8 as per your capacity. Okay. Then about this. So what happens when you do the normal breathing? What happens? The blood from the heart, purified blood, passes on to different parts of the body, which is extended. That is the purpose behind that. Okay. The more you do, the more you are able to retain the posture, the better it will be. Each asana, after each asana, there should be a mini relaxation. Each asana, there should be a mini relaxation. Usually, invariably, in the morning classes and all, when younger students are there, ready to go to, अब हमारा टाइम होगा हमको ऑफिस जाने का भाई, हमको घर में जल्दी जाने का, तो शवासन always remains a posture. तो क्या करने का? Before the pranayama starts and after the asana, give a mini relaxation. Okay. Then the pranayama will take care of the relaxation also. Okay. But pranayama has to be done in a very slow way. Asanas are done a little faster way than the others. Demonstration. Tell about the sthiti, initial posture, शीतली, relaxation posture, breathing is normal. Okay. एक कौन सा स्टूडेंट्स के लिए demonstration? This is for the junior students or those who are in the learning stage of this one. Once the students will this one get absorbed, the teaching process. Now, if there's suppose a new student has joined, तो क्या करना है? So if there is a teacher, you can say, Baba, please you do Bhujangasana. तो नवा स्टूडेंट को भुजंगासन नहीं आता है, तो उसको क्या करने का? Joint loosening. We start with the joint loosening. Why we do joint loosening? Because the stagnation of blood is there on each and every part. That gets released up on the joint loosening. Okay. Which will be also inhaled through inhalation and exhalation. Demonstration, silent demonstration with counts, breathing and explanation that I told. Going to the asana should be open eyes. Reaching the asana should be the closed eyes. Exhale out completely. Do the normal breathing. When your mind says, you come out, come out. Counts, breathing, and explanation. Step 3, contraindication and benefits of the asana. This should be taught after the students are established in asana. Students are established in asana, they are able to perform. Then you have to tell after the asanas are over. After the asanas are over, each and every asana. Bhujangasana हो गया, Tadabhasana हो गया, विपरीत करणी मुद्रा हो गया, और टॉक्सिडोरो postures में हो गया. What benefit they have? Okay. Individual practices follow the instructor and demonstrator. Okay. That is that. Individual practices follow the instructor and demonstrator. Practice in pair. A will perform and B will evaluate. This is the type of a competition which is kept, that vice versa. A will evaluate and B will perform. Okay. But this creates a eagerness and a competitive spirit among the students. Then keep a test of 20 marks or 30 marks, or give some prizes. In my classes, we used to celebrate the birthday of all the students every month. सबको 50 rupees हम लोग contribute करने का. Then after the classes are over, we'll call for the tea announcement. So the youngsters, they get benefited. क्या होगा? अरे हमारे birthday celebrate कर रहे हैं. So not on that day, on last Friday we do. Last Friday of the month. So और 4-5 students रहेगा, we cut the cake and all. So this is the type of intuition वो लोग को motivate करने का. Okay. Practice in pair. Key points again demonstrate the subtle point of bending the knees, breathing, closing the eyes, etc. Backward bending, those are in backache and all. Backward bending is beneficial, but forward bending will be a contraindication for that. Exhalation should be forward bending, inhalation should be back. That principle should be adopted. Okay. वो कभी कर सकेंगे because backache, lower back pain, and the lumbar and the sacrum region are very common. Why? Why it happens? You might have heard about the slip disc. Slip disc treatment is very painful and very hard. That is L4, L5 at a lumbar region. It gets spaced out. In the Bombay roads or in the rural branches, in the rural places, the roads, boys who have been riding for motorcycle for the years, 20 years, 25 years, at the age of 45, 50, they develop the lumbar scoliosis at the lower back. So क्या होता है, even I am also victim for when I was working in a bank for a rural posting. Without bicycle, we cannot, without motorbike, we cannot survive. Covering 24 villages in Raigad district. Okay, 24 villages. Okay, anyway, we have to go early morning to the borrower. We have to go in the motorcycle. So I should take my subordinate staff along with me. Okay. So this is unavoidable. Question and answer session with the closing prayers. Why? After the pranayama, after the relaxation, the mind becomes completely relaxed. Okay. Start with the prayers and end with the prayers. Prayers which are in the acceptable ethics of yoga. Okay. Sarve Bhavatu Sukhina. That has got its own. It has been taken out from the Upanishads now text, which has got its own significance. Lectures and demonstration. Lecture is a didactic instruction method involving one-way communication from the active presenter, here in this case the teacher, to the more or the less passive audience. It is an organized verbal presentation of the subject matter, often augmented by visual aids. Present system of teaching are through the visual aids, because the picture remains static in the mind of the students. Demonstration means to show, the teacher shows, illustrates. Okay. Demonstration. Again, I repeat, demonstration is in the learning stage. Because if there are new students, they have to be taught. Invariably, people above 50, they, for them also demonstration has to be shown. Because some may come after some days, some may come because of some problems and all, they are absent for some days. They might have forgotten the asana, or they might have forgotten the posture to go to the asana. So these steps has to be very well taught to the students. Okay, to people, especially those who are above 50 or those who are newcomers. Those who are good practitioners, young people and all, for them demonstration is not required. When you have to see the group which you are teaching. Lesson plan, teacher's daily guide for what students need to learn, how it will be taught, and how learning will be measured. Essentials should be prepared shortly before use. Specific and detailed. Cognizance of individual differences. Now, what are the essential requirements of the subject? It should be prepared and before use. Like we have to learn, we have to, if I want to present something, I have to read before you. Okay. Specific and detailed. Okay. It should be to the point, to the subject, and concerning the entire matter. Then, cognizance of individual differences. The presenter will be different depending on the person's ability and all. Okay. A person at a higher level will be presenting much better. A person at a lower level will not be able to present. So there will be some difference of opinion on the subject matter which is being presented. Okay. Includes objectives, materials needed, description of the method and procedure used, provision for the comments by the teacher after the lessons. A good teacher or ideal teacher will always ask for the comments and explanations and questions from the sadhakas. We say sevaks and sadhakas. Sevaks are teachers, sadhakas are the students. Yoga sadhak we say. Okay. Need, commitment, choosing techniques, duration, learning objectives, material that might be required. Depending upon the need of the students, the class which is there, the category of the students, the type of the students. If there are therapy cases, the common, the 4 or 5 students, the therapy, one is the diabetes, one is obesity. So the purpose is only to reduce the obesity, only to have the stage of the ideal health for a diabetic patient. Okay, so their interest is only this much. During the course, they will come to know, when they talk, they will come to know whether they want to go ahead with the yoga, they just want to continue, or only at the body level they want to maintain. You can come to know. Okay, you have to move your explanation and the thoughts and the practices accordingly. Lesson plan for pranayama and kriya. Introduction, demonstration, limitation and benefits, individual practices, relaxation, pranayama, sitting posture. Though Giranda Samhita says that kriyas are essential for before starting the practices. Ideally, in the common person, they get afraid. A nauseatic, a fear effect is there on the common people for Jalniti and more so for the Sutraniti. Okay, they get averse. Arey bhai, rubber ka smell hai. Some people are allergic to smell. So Sutraniti and sometimes they when they gain the confidence in Jalniti. अरे पानी एक साइड से आता है दूसरा से कैसा जाएगा यार पानी सब अंदर जाएगा ये एक्सेट्रा 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 because they are not aware of the anatomical systems of the body or they might have learned in the school and they might have forgotten. Okay, so then they get when the body gets stabilized then they start for Sutrani. Even for that matter, Mohammed, we feel it is very simple, Mohammed. For a common pack, अरे कैसा vomiting करेगा? No, 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 no. Body stomach will have problem. Mohammed, simple Mohammed. Without the tube, simple moment by taking the glasses. Okay, pranayama, sitting posture. You don't expect everybody to sit Padmasana, Ardha Padmasana because people are having various problems. Okay, youngsters can sit initially, or you have to tune it to the. So starting with simple cross leg, equidation from the floor, then slowly after the practices, when his practice will become better, when his mobility will become better and better, then going for Ardha Padmasana. And see whether he is able to sit for how much time. In the starting stage of meditation. Okay. When the body gets accustomed, then the body will get accustomed to the full Padmasana. After and because all the postures you see, there should not be any abdominal compression while doing any asana. And the abdominal relaxation and the abdominal effect get much better in Vajrasana. Okay, because there is no compression as in Padmasana or simple cross legs when you see. Okay, pranayama, sitting posture can be very well done in Padmasana, as the Padmasana also. Okay, people who are having neck pain, people who are having this much. See, I am suffering from osteoarthritis. Doctor has told me not to sit in Padmasana also. Only stretching postures. Okay, because after the age of 50, the degeneration takes place. It is but natural. The degeneration takes place. Slowly, आपका arthritic effects start होते हैं. Okay, especially the ladies post-menopause stage, if they don't support with the calcium tablets, the degeneration is bound to happen, and it can lead into osteoarthritis and osteoporosis and osteopenia. Okay, the density of the bone becomes pores and pores, and ultimately pores get developed. Okay, I have seen many patients suffering from this. Many ladies who have not been taking the calcium tablets also. Okay, Kriya, materials preparation, very well aware. We do Kapalbhati and Shuddhi Kriyas before the asana. Why we do Kriyas before the asana? Or movement postures coupled with inhalation and exhalation is also Kriya. Why? Body should get clean stuff and do the better performance of the asana. Okay. Lesson plus for dhyana. Then come to the meditation stage. Introduction, sitting arrangement, preparation, and instruction. Relaxation. As you know, Mandukya Upanishad, the importance of Omkara has been very well explained. Omkara relaxes the complete the body, the mind. The importance of Omkara is very well explained in all the scriptures, in all the religion scriptures also. It is known very well. Okay. Second is the body awareness, internal body awareness. Okay. If people are very senior, students are very senior, who are very well aware with the text of the yogas and all, you can also go in for such chakras that will ultimately they say. I have not seen Kundalini Jagruti. Okay. Preparation, instructions, and relaxation. Sequence of teaching, prayer or prayerful mode, introduction to the practices, verbal instructions, demonstration, analyzing the old performance of the suitable parts or stages, students' individual time availability, group practices under the guidance of the teacher, detection and correction of mistakes in the performance, Giving instructions with emphasis on salient points. Repeat the demonstration with clear explanation of the various stages. By sitting in the stage of a teacher or the teacher demonstrating himself, there are no other senior students also. Sometimes communication becomes a hazard. बात करना और पोस्टर में जाके बात करना is not advisable. That's why we keep a separate demonstrator. Okay, but certain days the demonstrator might not have come, or the teacher or the senior student who is a demonstrator might not have come. So teacher himself has this. At that time, he finds it difficult to do the practices as well as simultaneously explain. So after the practices, explain, Baba, ऐसा ऐसा जाना होता है. This is the way. Bhujangasana में ऐसा जाना होता है, slowly, rhythmically. Every time the teacher should explain for the junior student to have emphasis on the mind. Adopt the concept, slow, steady, rhythmic, concept of Sirsukasana, concept of Prayatna Shaitanya, concept of opposite in the Tato Ninja. That concept very often should be explained, so that should be explained in the mind. Then second is conscious differential relaxation, which ultimately after the practice will become unconscious differential relaxation. UCDR. CDR is consciously differential relaxation in the parts which is not extended. And ultimately it goes to UCDR. By the continuous practice, the body gets accustomed to it and it becomes a unconsciously differential parts of relaxation. Analyzing the old performance suitable parts of stages, students' individual time availability, group practices under the guidance of the teacher, detection and correction of the mistakes in the performance, giving instruction with emphasis on silent points, repeat the demonstrated clear explanations on the various stages involved. That is 8-step method in Yasin. Okay, that should be adopted. Benefits and contraindication should be explained after the demonstration is over, after the performance of the asana method. Okay, repeat the practices for the weaker student. Weaker student, keep it separate. 3-4 students may be out of 10-15 students, 3-4 students may be weak. So devote some extra time for them, so that they come to the perfect level to the in line with the students of the other class, those who are 10 to 12. Complete trust in Shavasana, which is a mandatory. As I told you, the younger batch is very much after the office work, office time सुबह का. So लोग को क्या करने का, after the asana, use some time for relaxation. After Surya Namaskar, use some time for relaxation. Okay, so Surya Namaskar, the body has been exerted. The exertion of the body at the stress level is more is Surya Namaskar as compared to the asanas and pranayama. So Surya Namaskar was the relaxation. Kapalbhati is because of the stress created in the heart. Please remember, those who are having heart problem, those who are having lungs problem, they should not do Kapalbhati. Please remember that. Okay, it's a contraindication. Slowly, as the improvement in the heart takes place, the improvement in the blood circulation becomes better and better. Never tell the students to stop the medicine if they are taking it, including big. Please remember, it's a very, very important point. People have lost their life by doing pranayama and all and stopping the meditation, stopping the medicine of BP. Life has been lost because the body is not able to accept the. So the BP has risen to such a level that death was imminent. These are the cases which has taken place in the yogic field. Okay. Repeated practices for the weaker students, complete rest in Shavasana, some of the point of the question and answers. Okay. Assessment of a yoga class. Now this comes in the what a level 3 student should do in evaluation of a yoga class. YCB has already introduced evaluators, good evaluators to go and evaluate the yoga classes, to do the audit of the yoga classes which are being conducted in the reputed institutes which are there, and give a feedback on the institute of the yoga class. Okay, I am not talking about a practical yoga class. I am talking about the teaching methods of the yoga classes. How much the spiritual Bhagavad Gita, how much Patanjali Yoga Sutra has been taught, that is the idea. Okay. Posture alignment, breathing pattern, follow practices. This all has been explained. Maintenance, gradual progression toward the perfection, steps, awareness, measurement, assessment, and evaluation. Process of estimating the value, that is like time, temperature, weight, length, compared with the standard quantities that are of same type. Assessment refers to the wide variety of methods used to evaluate the measures and document. It is a process of systematically gathering information. Evaluation So these are the methods of the measurement. How we then we go to the assessment. How you have to evaluate, measure, and document. Evaluation, broader term that refers to all the methods used to find out what happens as a result of using a specific practice. Assessment through test, examination, or just the class performance. This creates youngsters would like to have a spirit of competition among themselves. So a test technique evaluation, call some senior teachers and just to have the see the performance, how it is going on. Adopt a system of marks or some first rank, second rank, small pen or this one. So that will create an intuition toward them. And as we have been doing birthday celebration or like that, you know, so that creates an awareness and uh, a light and freshness among the other students to be in competition with the other students. Okay. Principles, reliability, validity, and relevance. Formative assistance, it provides the feedback and information during instructional processes while learning is taking place. Primary focus is to identify the areas that may need the improvement. What are types of formative assessment? Observation during the class, assignments, question and answer sessions, conferences and group class discussion, etc. Okay. When a when a senior teacher comes and evaluate, he takes all these points into consideration. What are the qualities of the students? How they have been only performing? By counter questioning, asking what are the benefits, what are the contraindications, who should not do it, why Shavasana is required. There's so many questions we ask, and if the students are able to reply properly, that creates the quality of the class and the quality of the teacher, which is primarily okay. If the students are not able to perform, then they should be guided and advised accordingly by AL section. This should be done accordingly. These are the benefits and contraindications of this answer. If this should not be done in this way, okay, etc. etc. Question answer session. Question answer session, as I told, the teacher's ability is to able to solve the questions put in after the class is over. Okay. Question answer. Conferences and group classes discussions, etc. Okay. Next. Summative assessment done after learning is completed. Types, examination, term, papers, or projects. Assessment of a yoga institute, yoga location, infrastructure of the class. Here we are taking yoga institute means the practical yoga institute. Asanas, practical asanas, kriyas, meditation, philosophy. Communication, language used. The common language should be used or other language will be Hindi. Safety methods, props and other facilities. Review from Shlokas, Sutras, and Asana. Now, these are the additional inputs which we are giving and teaching to the students, laying the importance of Patanjali Yoga Sutra, the concept of asanas and pranayama as defined in Patanjali Yoga Sutra, making it to the ground level, making them understand. Okay, all are aware of this. All are aware of the shlokas in the Mandukya Upanishad, which Prashna Upanishad, which I mentioned in the pranayama level also. Okay. Review from the Shloka, Sutra, Kriyas, posters or charts, library, access, students with different backgrounds, etc. All depending upon the level of student. Thank you very much. I hope this is very any question answers, please. You can please share.
Thank you so much. Super.